iMark molding has been around since the year 2000. We're an injection molder contract manufacturer. The customers we serve are companies in the medical device arena, diagnostics, consumables, industrial, anybody that has life-critical applications or require precision tolerances. Recently we went through a major facility expansion. We more than tripled the size. We went from 40,000 square feet to about 135,000. Part of that expansion including more ZEISS instruments, including the METROTOM. iMark wants to have the best available instruments in the market. We need to install confidence and trust in our customers. They need to know that what we're doing here and the way we're utilizing the equipment is not only efficient and accurate, but is going to be presented in a method that they can use. And so the way we utilize the various instruments with the Calypso software, when we show customers what we're doing and how we're doing it, confidence and trust are immediately there.
Well, we do a lot of plastic small parts that have the tight tolerancing that go into assemblies that are used in things like surgery, things for infants, so there's a lot of importance when it comes down to assurance in our data. We have a CONTURA, which is a CMM. We have an O-Inspect, and then we have our most recent addition is a METROTOM. So we use the CONTURA, CMM, and the O-Inspect for in-process inspection mainly. So every 2 to 4 hours, we're pulling parts from the presses and inspecting them to make sure that the process is stable, that it's where we want it to be. And we use the METROTOM, which is a really precise and really flexible system using X-ray technology to inspect a lot of what we call first article inspection. So the first time we make parts, to really dig into that part to make sure it's exactly what we want it to be.
The METROTOM has been a huge addition to the ZEISS family that we've got here at iMark. It helps if we have a customer with takeover tooling. What happens oftentimes is they don't have a CAD model for the parts. The METROTOM can help us by scanning an actual part and creating a CAD model from there.
We could scan that part, go into our office, pull up Calypso, pull up the scan, do the inspection in a very rapid way and get the data that we want. For someone who doesn't have a lot of training in programming, Calypso works really well for those people. But if you need to do some really advanced inspection, you can also go there with the software. The thing that we like about it the most here is because we have an O-Inspect, a CONTURA, and a METROTOM, we can use that same software, the same inspection programs for all 3 machines. I do see a lot of ZEISS in the future at iMark because of the history we have with our machines and the Calypso software. There's just been a trustworthy track record with it thus far. And I think with the flexibility we have moving between machines with Calypso, it's going to remain at the core of who we are here at iMark.